Hello and welcome to SG Talks. Shagufta is here, your host and your host. Today we have a very special guest, a world renowned international tarot reader, tarot coach, crystal healer, astrologer, and leading podcaster in Nepal. So let's welcome Miss Deepika Devkota, also at Tarot Nepal, to SG Talks. So it's an honor to have you here, Miss Deepika. How are you?
I'm very much good.
And
And
welcome to Dubai, first of all.
you? Thank you so much. And namaste to everyone.
Namaste.
Yeah.
Deepika is from Nepal, and so she's our guest of UAE, and she's also a guest in SG Talks. So let's know more about Miss Deepika Devkota. Yes, Deepika. So you want to say something more about you? Who
Actually,
is Miss Deepika Devkota first?
I'm ordinary person like all of
Mm.
you. Like you, I'm also the same.
Okay.
Uh, Actually, if I have to talk about my initial phase, how I become tarot card reader, how I start my spiritual journey. So, in the initial phase, I was like involved in media field.
Mm-hmm.
I used to do there was one office. It's called Triveni Lokduri in Nepal.
Okay.
So I started my career from that
Mm.
office. I used
Mhm.
to do music editing, promo editing, and I used to sit in receptionist and I used to pick the calls.
Okay.
After that,
Mhm.
I got offer in music videos also and in film also, movie
Wow,
also.
that's great.
But
Huh.
there are lots of issues. There are lots of things that I need to deal with. Being
Mm-hmm.
a girl,
Mm-mm-mm.
being a woman, I need to deal many more things.
Yes.
Because of that, I was like, I was not interested.
In what?
Like I was interested in movie, but due
Mm-hmm.
to some reasons, I told being
Mm.
a girl, it's very hard
Mm-hmm.
to fix one personality or fix to one place to work.
Mm-hmm.
So what we called in हिंदी ऑल्सो वी कॉल लाइक लड़की होकर जब आप एक मूवी में काम करते हो ना,
Mm-hmm.
मूवी लाइक इन मीडिया में, तब
Right.
अ,
It
इतना
doesn't
ज़्यादा
seem.
इट लाइक इतना ज़्यादा हम लोग लाइक रिक्स है, इतना ज़्यादा
Mm.
चीज में इश्यूज में फेस करना पड़ता है, राइट?
Okay.
So I faced all sorts of things over there.
Mm.
Due to that reason,
Mm-hmm.
I quit that entertainment field and I switched my profession to
Mm-hmm.
teaching field.
Teaching field.
Yeah, I was a
Okay.
teacher also. I
Oh,
was a coordinator
that's
in a
great.
school.
What a coincidence.
And I had worked
Mm.
for like 7 to 8 years
Mm.
in schooling,
Mhm.
teaching field.
That's
And
great.
yeah, somehow just I got like my mind is strike,
Mm.
like I'm not made for this teaching field.
Mm-hmm.
I am made from for something else different.
Mm.
I want to do different.
Mm.
Before coming to spiritual field, I
Mm.
have faced lots of problems, like I go through depressions.
Okay.
I have faced lot of isolation periods in my
Mm-hmm.
life.
Mm-hmm.
And during that phase, I used to sit and cry a lot.
Okay.
स्कूल भी छोड़ दिया,
So what is the
मीडिया भी
reason
छोड़
that
दिया, अब
हाँ.
करना क्या है?
What's the stress caused you? Like, what is the stress? Why did you feel like
Like
isolated?
when I was doing teaching,
Mm-hmm.
I used to love kids very much.
Mm-hmm.
But teaching is a place where we do a collaboration,
Mm.
teamwork.
Yes, exactly.
So like I don't know, I was not compatible for that, or like people were not compatible with me.
Mm.
I was completely like not interested to do teamwork.
Mm-hmm.
uh,
You're not
wow, yeah,
adjustable to
no,
that.
एडजस्टेबल मतलब क्या? आप जैसे स्कूल में काम करती हो, मैं भी स्कूल में ही काम करती हूँ.
Yes.
आप जो बोल रही हो वो मेन लाइक कम्प्लीटली आई डोंट वांट टू लाइक एक वाइब्स होता है ना, वाइब्स ही मैच नहीं हो रहा था. सो इसलिए इसकी वजह से आई वाज कम्प्लीटली
So
लाइक
you want to say that you don't want to be under anyone.
या
You have that leader or you want to be a leader.
Yeah, that is the main cause, I think.
Okay.
That is the main cause. Like,
Hmm.
I don't want to work in any like किसी के अंडर में काम ही नहीं करना है.
You want to be your own
That is
boss.
my aura. I want to be my
Ah,
own boss.
ah,
So
okay.
because of that,
Mm-hmm.
I was completely devastated
Okay.
with my negative thoughts.
Mm-hmm.
Like every time there is nothing to do. Like I can say that I was completely lost soul
Okay.
with no purpose.
So how
with-
the change happened? Like how you
and
became?
suddenly my mind is strike.
Mm-hmm.
One day I just wake up and I just saw my face in the mirror.
Hmm.
Now what should I do?
Hmm.
There is no reason, there is no any path that I am seeing that I need to
Hmm.
continue my life.
And you cannot sit back at home also.
Yeah.
You don't want to sit at home
I was
without
completely
any job.
in like isolated. I was completely in depression.
Mm-hmm.
After that, I saw my face in mirror.
Hmm.
I'm not the same person that I used to be. That I
Hmm.
used to enjoy my life. That I used to make my life very comfortable.
Mhm.
Now I'm out of comfort zone.
Hmm.
I don't have any reason to live my life.
Hmm.
Then suddenly my mind is strike
Hmm.
and I sit for meditation.
Okay.
Suddenly.
We want to relax now.
Yeah, relax. And while doing meditation,
Hmm.
what happened?
Hmm.
Lots of negative thoughts are coming in my mind.
Hmm. Okay.
I'm just closing my eyes. I'm doing inhale, exhale,
You
inhale,
cannot
exhale.
meditate.
Yeah,
You cannot
meditate.
concentrate.
This happened me for a month.
Okay.
For a month, I was crying.
Hmm.
And after a month, when I start doing meditation, I used to do for 5 minutes. Now I started doing for 15 minutes,
Mm-hmm.
for 20 minutes. Of after that, for an hour. Now I
Wow.
can meditate for 4 hours also.
Oh, that's
Yeah.
great. So you.
I love meditation,
Mhm.
and this is the reason how
So
right
you
now I'm in
you
spiritual field.
were able to fix yourself.
Yeah. So
Hmm.
right now I'm
No
here.
one helped you in this.
Actually, this is my journey.
Hmm.
This is my path.
Hmm.
So all the people have their own journey. You have also your own journey.
Yes.
So in your own journey, there is struggle, there is hurdles, right? That you need to face. So
But the
same
thing is, what you know, when you took stand for yourself, yeah, you stood yourself that you have to change.
Yeah.
I want to change.
I want to change my
Yes,
life.
I want to remove that negative
yeah.
things.
I
Yeah?
don't want to change others
Hmm.
to become stable, to become positive.
Hmm.
First of all, I need to change my thought.
Exactly. Yeah.
I need to change myself.
Hmm.
So after I just got one like step for meditation, then I started doing a meditation for an hour. Then I start my spiritual journey after that. And why I was alone in my journey, it's because spiritual means alone.
Hmm.
What spiritual tells you that you born alone, right? So you'll die also alone.
Yes, true.
So this is your journey. So you have to do it. So after that, I used to do spiritual practices. My family used to do. Why are you kar rahi hai? What you are doing? You are playing cards.
Oh, okay. When
Is
you
this-
started this
Yeah.
tarot reading.
I'll tell how I come to know about tarot and how I started tarot deck. And when I was shuffling the tarot deck and I used to play with cards, so all used to tell me, "ये पागल हो गई है क्या?"
Exactly.
Is
Unless
this
you don't grow in that
Yeah.
stage, yeah, people
how this
will.
object can help you
Exactly.
to earn money?
Mm-mm.
How this object can help you to earn money?
Mm.
Like what we called सब लोग खिल्ली उड़ाते थे, मजाक बनाते थे.
मजाक
Yeah,
बनाते थे,
yeah,
yes.
yeah. This is just a card.
So how did you learn all these things?
So after I started my meditation journey, after that I used to research a lot for spiritual things, spiritual rituals. Whether there are different religious, right? And different religious, I used
Because
to
you are
search.
happy with that difference.
Yeah, difference.
Yes.
I'm not doing any kind of discrimination, whether it is Islamic, whether it is Hindu or Christian or Buddhist. I used to see all the rituals, how they are taking spirituality. So suddenly I got the videos of tarot and tarot deck, and I start searching for tarot, and suddenly I got one information. There is one university in Europe, University of Tarot
Okay.
in Europe, and I was so much interested, and I saw the price. It was in dollar, and at that time I was completely in depression, and I was completely in isolated phase, and I just I don't have any job to do. At that time there was lack of financial for me,
Exactly.
because I
Financial
don't have
crisis.
job.
Yes, definitely.
Financial crisis, and I just saw my bank balance. I don't have this much dollar to
Yes.
pay and learn the tarot. So again I was sad for a month. After that I just saw TikTok videos of India. So Indians are also started doing tarot or learning tarot, or they are also guiding and helping with that tool. So suddenly I found one institute in Mumbai.
Okay.
They are teaching tarot deck. That is a training institution.
Okay.
And I just inquiry over there, and to learn tarot. Now what I realized that I have to this time do this time. Either I have to do or I die. There is only two options.
Do
for
or
me.
die.
Yeah, do or die. There are only two
Okay.
options for me. So after that, I sold my gold to learn the tarot,
Okay. Huh.
because
that's
I
how-
don't have any kind of like that much bank balance to pay the fee. So I sold my gold, and after solding the gold, I took the admission over there, and I learned the tarot. And if I have to talk about spirituality, it's a genetic, because my family, somehow my family is also related with spirituality.
Okay.
So genetically I was spiritual. So God strike my mind suddenly, you have to choose this
Choose
path.
this profession.
Yeah. So I
Other than tarot reading.
tarot reading, like I know how to use tarot deck, because I have lots of research over there, and my intuition power was very high from the childhood. My intuition was so much high. Suppose if you are my family member, and if you are going to be ill for after 2 or 3 days, suddenly like my mind is strike before 2 or 3 days, and there is one vibes like, yeah, this person is going to be ill after some day.
Oh, okay.
So same
you
thing
you
happened.
started getting that feelings.
Yeah, and same thing happened immediately after 2 days, 3 days, or for a week. So my intuition power is very high from the childhood, and after doing meditation, yeah, of course. Now whoever I am meeting, I'm just in the initial phase I'm judging that person. This person might have a good character.
Okay.
This person is thinking about me like this, that in that way, this way. So after that I took admission in Mumbai Institute. I learned the tarot, and now
So
I'm a
Deepika,
tarot.
how much time it took you to cover your when you left your job from teaching and you started your journey for a tarot reader?
Completely, if I have to talk, while I was in practicing phase, sometimes I used to feel like I can't do this. I need to give up, because there are lots of things related to energy also. Energy means there are as you also know that energy means it could be positive energy or negative energy also, right? So in tarot deck we have to face both.
Okay.
So before facing positive energy, while learning the tarot deck, you need to face negative things.
Okay.
So, do you believe in spirits? Do you believe?
Yeah, I do believe, but I haven't met any time.
In Islamic, we called jinn, right?
Yes. Yeah, I
So,
heard about many stories, but never ever came across such things in life. Yeah. But yes, there is definitely. If there is a good, there is also an evil. It is said
yeah.
in our Quran
So,
also.
yeah.
It is said that other than humankind, there is also one makhluk. Some other makhluk
Yeah,
call this. Yeah.
the name are different,
Hmm.
but yeah, the thing is the same.
Same. Hmm.
Yeah. So we need to face that
Hmm.
things in
Hmm.
tarot.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Hmm.
So if I'm doing tarot reading, if
Hmm.
I'm opening your aura,
Hmm.
so I need to face your higher self. Okay, I need to connect with you. So
Mm-hmm.
if you have lots of negative energy of
Mm.
inside your body or around you, that energy will attack me. So
Okay.
before doing tarot deck, I need to be ready for that.
So what happens to you? You will fall ill or you fall
Yeah,
sick?
I after using a tarot deck, yeah, I was spiritual,
Mm.
but after using a tarot deck, for a month, I was like literally I was ill.
Okay.
Sometimes I'm getting common cold. Sometimes I'm getting fever.
Mm-hmm.
So I was just like messy. How to cleanse myself? I don't know.
Mm-hmm.
And I suddenly
So, but these things are faced by common human beings also, like getting cold, getting
no,
fever.
no. Actually, I'm talking about tarot deck right now.
Okay, okay.
You are suppose you are my client.
Hmm.
I'm doing. You are interested in tarot card reading.
Hmm.
So if you come to me, I need to open your aura, right?
Hmm.
With your permission.
Hmm.
So after opening your aura, I need to connect with you. You will connect with my higher self, and I'll connect with your higher self. If you have lots of negative energy, if you have lots of negative thoughts, we are connecting our energy, right? So it will be pass.
Yeah.
Your all the energy will pass with
Yeah.
me.
So any job is not easy for
It's not
us. Yeah,
easy.
it's
It's
not
not
easy.
easy. Life is not easy.
Yes, exactly. We have to go through a lot of things in our life.
So
And after tarot reading, you became a tarot coach as well.
yeah.
Na? So, mashallah, your journey is so inspiring that how you changed from a teaching to a tarot coach now.
Actually,
So-
I never left teaching job because right now also I'm teaching.
Because you are a teacher, you just choose the profession for a tarot coach. Like I have to teach this. Okay. After that, then you got into crystal healing and then astrology. And how you came into the podcast?
Actually, from the childhood, I told before I was in entertainment field, so it was my hobby doing podcast and
Oh.
TV shows.
Oh,
So
wow.
I just as I'm a tarot card reader, this is very new in Nepal, right? So all there are lots of people.
By
they
the way,
are
Nepal
doing,
is a very beautiful country.
yeah, it's very
right?
natural. Naturally, it is very beautiful.
And the people are
And
also.
yeah, Dubai is also a dream city. It's very beautiful.
Yeah.
And in Nepal, tarot card reader and reading is very completely new.
Okay.
So there are lots of people doing tarot card reading, but they are not showing their face. They are like hiding their profession.
Okay.
So there was one one mission for me. Like I'm a tarot card reading. If I'll come in podcast or if I'll go in TV shows, it will be open for all.
Oh, okay.
If I'll
So you
be
do
doing
in
like
podcasting also you do that tarot reading for the people for the
yeah,
guests.
So in Nepal, it's completely new. Some like we called in tarot card, like no one believes in tarot card reading before in Nepal, but now right now it's very open space for tarot card readers. Why? Because एक मिशन था मेरे में, लाइक कोई नहीं जानता टैरोट कार्ड रीडिंग क्या है, टैरोट कार्ड रीडर क्या है. सो अगर मैं एक पॉडकास्ट में जाऊंगी और मैं टीवी शोज करूंगी, मेरे साथ साथ जो भी टैरो रीडिंग में इंटरेस्टेड है उन लोगों को भी एक मौका मिलेगा. दिस काइंड ऑफ थिंग.
So you started creating a platform for the people who are interested. Yeah.
This is not for only the what I'm doing is all are getting platform who are very much interested in spiritual world, spiritual journey, and tarot card reading.
What is the best thing you have faced, you have experienced after becoming a tarot reader? Who is the best person you have met till now? Or
There are lots of different kind of person.
Mm.
I need to deal with good peoples also.
Mm.
I need to deal with the peoples who don't believe in this kind of things.
Mm.
Convincing them is the very much important
Yeah.
and the most hard part
Hmm.
in my life.
But
Yeah.
still, Deepika, when we do a job, we will feel at some moment we will feel so proud, so happy that thank God my
Yeah, I feel very
Huh.
good. I feel very like comfortable while doing tarot card reading. And I don't know, people used to tell me my aura is so much good and I'm so much frank that meeting me within 5 minutes.
Yes, I can see that. I can see that we met at the first time and we became good friends, right?
People come to me, they will just decide, yeah, this thing I'll tell to her and these things I'll not tell to her.
Okay.
It's, because I'm here for tarot card reading. And after meeting me in 5 minutes, they used to tell everything.
Okay.
This is my aura actually.
That's good. Huh.
This is my aura and I feel very good and comfortable while doing tarot card reading. And yeah, what is the most beautiful part is that I feel very good. I feel very like एक मन को संतुष्टि मिलता है, like giving, guiding anyone else, showing them a good and right path. Tarot deck is a tool. It is a tool
Okay.
that helps you to take and make good decisions.
You're changing the moods of people.
Yeah.
Yeah, when they come sad,
Yeah,
when they
there
come
are
in
some
sad
like
mood.
there are some kind of funny people also, like one of the person came to me and he or she want to know about her marriage. She love one person
Okay.
and she just came to me and start asking, I love this person very much. I want to marry. I want to get married with him. Is there any possibility of getting married? And I just shuffled my card and I just saw the answer. The answer was no.
Oh.
So
how you will handle this kind
No,
of
no.
situations then?
if suddenly answer came no, there is the reason, right, why answer came no. Because it might, like, right now we are loving him. After some years you may feel he or she is not compatible for me, right? And she start screaming and she start like fighting, or she start asking continuously why no, why no, is
why
there
no?
any like
Yes. Yeah,
any
yeah.
space, or is there any solution? However she
Definitely.
want to get married with him. This kind of problem
So
I have to face
how
in
did you
tarot
dealt
card.
with her? How you convinced her? Did she convinced with you for no?
So after that I told her, like, I just saw her aura, I just scan her aura and I just do reading of her, and I just told just bring the photo of your person. I'll just check the aura what is like कुछ तो है ना रीजन. सो इसलिए नो आ रहा है कार्ड में. सो क्या कर सकते, देखती हूँ के मैंने एक फोटो मंगाया और आई जस्ट स्टार्ट चेकिंग द ऑरा ऑफ दैट पर्सन एंड it was showing that the girl is very kind and very courteous, and the person is like mysterious type of person and very attitude and very egoistic.
But
The
प्यार no,
so
I want to say a point, but प्यार तो अंधा है.
प्यार तो अंधा है,
प्यार
लेकिन
तो ऐसे
the aura
ऐसों
is
से ही
not,
होता है.
the aura is not matching.
Okay.
So I just gave any like solution by looking the planetary placement and by looking their aura. Yeah, I gave some rituals and solution, but that is not long lasting. If you are not meant to be together, anyhow you will get separation.
Okay.
एक ऐसा वक्त आएगा जब आपको सेपरेट होना ही पड़ता है. If you are not meant to be together. So you need to understand that if there is not possibility of getting married with that person, means universe has planned very good for you. there is something better.
Okay, okay.
You need to understand that.
So, Deepika, what do you think? Like, how much it is true? How much we can believe in this?
Actually, I also used to question with myself in
For
initial
example, if I
phase.
ask you, like, out of 100%, how much percent can you give me that your tarot reading will be like? I'm sure that it will happen. How much percentage?
95% accurate.
So 5% you're not accurate.
5% why I'm not telling 100%, because yeah, sometimes lots of people are telling, yeah, your reading is 100% accurate. But why I'm giving like 5% less to this accuracy? Because I'm also human.
Exactly.
If everything I know, then I should be God, right? And I'm not God.
Yeah, truly said that there is one God who we believe more than humans.
I'm just
yes.
the method
Yes,
that I'm.
you're just trying to be like, if there are any mishappenings, you can just
So
guide
Gupta,
them.
what I'm telling you is that
Hmm.
everything happens
Hmm.
with the permission of universe, right?
Hmm.
Because we are not bigger than universe.
Miss Deepika, so your journey is so inspiring and mashallah, you're so motivating also. And it's really, it's very hard to change our profession from one profession to another profession. And you have, mashallah, grown very well. Now you are one of the leading podcaster in Nepal, right?
Yeah.
So I want you to inspire my audience that what is that one thing, what is that one inspiration has got into your life, and what you want to give the message to all humankind, that how we can change our mind.
First of all, thank you for your question. What you should know is, first of all, look at yourself.
Mm.
So universe has chosen you for one thing in your life. You need to know about your soul purpose. So
Purpose.
some are doctors, some are engineers, right? So I'm in a spiritual field. You are a podcaster. So you just need to know about yourself. What can you do, or what is the thing that you can change your life? You need to work on that first of all. I'm capable for this. I have this kind of creativity, and this profession is perfect for me.
Exactly.
So after knowing these things, then only you can work, or you can lead your country, or you can lead your work professionally.
Do you think that we have that energy inside us, that we can ourselves motivate, so no one come and tell us like get up, do it?
Yeah.
Right.
Actually, sometimes we are in very much painful period, right? Sometimes we are emotionally triggered. Sometimes we face so much traumatizing periods, right? So why these all things are happening? No one tell this is happening. Just universe want to teach or give you a lesson. All are just complaining, my life is so much hell, my life is this, my life is that, right? But you need to know that these all things are happening just because you don't know how to lead your life, and universe is giving you punishment to learn a lesson.
Okay, and something good is going to come in your way.
After you learn the pattern, after you learn the lesson of your life, this is your mistake and you should not repeat it. Then you will know your soul purpose. Then you will know for what the things that you can do and what the things that you are for comfortable for. Then after that you can change your life.
That's good.
Just
That's good.
all are equal, all the humans are, and all have humanity nature, right?
Exactly.
So you just learn your soul. You just learn. You just learn about yourself. Do not judge anyone. You just learn about yourself.
Wow, what a good point. Great point. Do not judge anyone.
Yeah.
That's
You just
really
learn about yourself. You just know about yourself. What is your purpose? If you are born in this world, then there should be one purpose, right? Yeah,
Exactly.
sometimes you feel you are a completely lost soul.
Mm.
You don't have any proposal
Mm.
to live your life.
There's nothing then.
Yeah, there is nothing. Just you
Hmm.
just has to know that
Hmm.
this is your journey, and you need to learn your life.
Exactly. Well
If
said,
you are
Deepika.
getting,
Hmm.
if you are in painful period,
Hmm.
it means universe has given you some tasks. You
Hmm.
need to know about that tasks.
Hmm.
In that tasks you are getting painful because you haven't learned till it what is the life and what is the lesson you need to
Very
learn.
truly said. Yes. True. True.
After you get a point, yeah, this is my mistake.
Hmm.
I need to learn about
That
this.
realization should
Yeah,
be there.
there
Yes.
should be a self realization, and the self realization comes under self love.
Exactly. Very
To
well
get
said.
love, you just need to love yourself.
It's very nice talking to you, Deepika, and really a very great journey that you have passed. And now you are an example for many tarot readers in Nepal, a very good leading podcasters in Nepal. And I'm truly honored to have you on our SG Talks. Okay, and now I want you to give a small message in your Nepal language. Okay.
So
Hmm.
bye.
You can talk to my audience and give a very lovely and
In Nepali language.
yes, of course.
So I'll teach you definitely a Nepali
yeah,
language.
definitely. I would love to. I'd love to learn.
And I want to learn Arabic.
Exactly. I will. We both will learn together. Even I
Yeah.
don't know Arabic.
You don't know Arabic?
No.
But,
Language I don't know.
Language I don't know.
Hmm.
How you know Tamil, right?
Tamil?
Tamil language.
No, no.
You before you told that you also
I know
the
Telugu.
Telugu, yeah.
Yeah.
If I have to tell that you are very beautiful in your language, Telugu language, how you will do?
Telugu is not my language. I speak in Urdu, but I know Telugu as a Andhra Pradesh people speak in Telugu. Telugu is my second language.
So you are very much beautiful.
Thank you so much. Yeah.
I want to hear that word in Telugu.
Telugu. మీరు చాలా బాగున్నారు.
మీరు
చాలా బాగున్నారు.
బాగున్నారు.
Yeah.
And in Urdu?
In Urdu, माशाल्लाह.
माशाल्लाह is
आप बहुत खूबसूरत है.
आप बहुत खूबसूरत है.
हाँ जी.
Urdu has, this is Indian language, right?
Yeah.
Urdu
and like Hindi is like some words are same. Yeah, it's pure Urdu is different, pure Hindi is different, but we speak mixed.
So hello everyone, myself Deepika, tarot card reader. सबैजनाले हेर्दै हुनुहुन्छ होला एसजी टक र मसँग हुनुहुन्छ सगुफ्ताजी. सबैजनाले यो पोडकास्टलाई हेरेर सब्सक्राइब गरिदिनु होला, ल लाइक र फलो पनि गरिदिनु होला र धेरै माया दिनु होला.
सच में कुछ समझ नहीं आया, but सिर्फ SG Talk समझ आया. Let's say one word.
I'm telling to give lots of love to your
thank
channel,
you so much.
to subscribe our podcast.
How to say thank you in Nepal?
Thank you धेरै thank you in Nepal. In Nepali, right? We called there is like a thank you.
Thank you. You say thank you
only.
Dhanyavad.
Yeah, dhanyavad. Yeah, dhanyavad.
Okay.
Actually, some words I am also really confused in Nepal.
Okay, that's great. That's great. So it was a nice conversation with Miss Deepika Devkota. So I hope you got some inspiration from the life of Deepika, right? So you can see that how a person can herself, she realized what she has to do and how she herself took the step. So you can also do. So keep watching SG Talks, keep inspiring others, keep motivating yourself. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you. See you again in next episode. Till then, like, share and subscribe.